Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela, uba kemi akatanat kampo yeng, uba prestun tensong. Haka kadway terek uyayong arjar psan. Ulong ba kamsyam don kanu-kanu Jingsuba Sniew. Haka bayday bat kajingklan no jong unong jungok kay pertay. Na kari Hungary, ubalet kay hakaway kasunong ha East Khasi Hills District. Uba tensong ulong ha kajingsisya na kapor siya kapor lapatha yakibawan jungok ka siya Meghalaya tang siya sora hanray siya kiway pat kijaka bakimday banle syangan namar bakimla ban syule ka yakawa kabadon ha kijaka rithor bat kijaka lum nabakalong kabayaper kumban syu penkan mau ba kipulet kilalap yakamet balapuot jong unong Hungary ubalatip kerteng kum uzol puskas na ringku ksang kabadang hab hapo kasinong ramdan kathan shela hakapor shibaje no bhaisi layathu ba upuskas ulaja naduka arphundai trek ulber arajarpsan bad halor kani la ujor sekipulet haka arterek uyayong arajar arpsan.
No, there was no such foul play at all. Let me just tell you. In fact, very unfortunate, he had an accident in that river. Well, in fact, from time to time, we used to request the tourists coming down to Meghalaya, not only that Sora side, but anywhere they go. Because see, the river here in Meghalaya is very, very challenging. You can't treat the water of plain belt and the hilly area. It's totally different. So therefore, we used to request them that you have to be very careful while swimming and then even while touring to the riverbed.